in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family, this is why I need. So my job is cooking soup now, so I'm gonna try this. What a new movie, she said, but it smells good, so we're gonna eat it now. Hey y'all, I just got in. I'm so tired, I'm ready to go to my bed. Today is Tuesday, November 18th. I'm tired. I'm ready to sleep. Oh, I do have a sneakers. I bought a sneaker from Shein. They call those sneakers. I think it's Nikes. The Nikes. It's like doing love for my son. Mine's is great. Yeah. I paid $20-something for it. 20. I'm a kid. $20-something. I just want to keep back in my bag. Why would I do that? Sweet. Oh, it's so warm here. It is warm. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, my friend coming to come fix his table Sunday. He said he coming to come do it for me. Cause I low-key don't want to pay that man. He said 120. I'm not have it. I have it, but I'm not have it. I don't want to spend 120 right now. My son is coming over next week, which is Thanksgiving. So can't spend that 120 right now. So I asked somebody, and he said he'd come do it for me. So when he come and when he finish fixing it, I'll show y'all. It's cute or whatever. It's nice. I saw this thing on I saw a Thanksgiving thing on Temu last night, like this, similar, like with it's a thankful, grateful, blessing, something else. But it's not gonna get here by Thanksgiving, so. Cause I wanted to put something on the wall, cause the table is gonna be over there. Oh man, what's my hand? Oh child. Okay, so I need to do this. I didn't do the TikTok review yet, because I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do it. Because in the video they said I need to wear the thing itself, and I'm like, oh, I gotta figure out how to make it. They were like, make it creative. I have until the 28th, which is next week, to post a video, so I'm gonna try my best. I'll figure it out. I've been having this package from Shein. I think it was like $23. It's the dupe for the New Balance 9060. So I'm gonna open it and see how it looks. I'm actually doing a TikTok too. I put that part out. Comes in a box. It comes in a plain box. Comes in a plain box. Let's see how it looks. The size I get right here. Okay, so. Oh, wait, you got purple in there? Oh, these are nice. Yeah. These are so freaking cute. They're so freaking cute. You got a little purple thing on there right here, but I don't really care for the purple thing, but is it not the dupe? Because it looked like the dupe to me. Yep. Oh my god. I hope it will fit me. I'm gonna try it on right now. Okay, so this is size. It's size 38. I think that's, what size is that? Is that an 8? Because I wear 8 in women's and I wear 7 in boys. I think that's an 8. But let me try it on right now. It better fit, because this is the perfect fall sneakers with some, wear with your pea coat. And it's so comfortable. And I still got my work socks on. It's so freaking cute. It's crazy because I bought my son the actual real one, and I paid, I think it was on sale too when I paid for it. I forgot how much it was. I think it was 100 and I think it was 150. So it wasn't sale. It was actually the actual price. Because because I bought it for his birthday. But I said I was gonna get one for my birthday, the real one too, and that's what was on Shein. I was like, oh no. What was the point of doing that? Oh, these sneakers are so. I'm not gonna show you the. All right, let me show you. Hold on. I'm showing how they look. All right, so see, this is how it looks. They're so comfortable. They're very comfortable. Okay. The laces are very light though. I don't know if that's how the original one looks, but I gotta look at my feet. There's another package, but that's for the outside. But look how it looks. Yeah, I'm bow-legged. Look at the sneakers, it's so cute. Let's get closer. So freaking cute. Look at the back. You can tell the back is the same as the regular sneakers. I love these. $23, y'all. $23. Oh my god, I'm in love with them. Honestly, this is the only thing that bothers me. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like this. But whatever. They had other colors too, but I just choose to get this one. I love them. Alright. They're so cute. My hands are messy. Maybe come out quick. These sneakers are so comfortable. Oh my god. I really was gonna buy the real one, but I don't need the real one. I'm good. I only got one from the real ones because of his birthday. I didn't really buy nothing for my birthday, to be honest. All I did was went out to go eat. I'm good. I'm always buying stuff anyway, so I'm fine. Even though when I buy stuff, I buy for my son. But at the same time, I'm like, you know what? He's a sweet 16. He deserves a good gift. Honestly, I've been so to buy those things for him for last year anyway. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get it for him. But I was contemplating because of the price, to be honest. But you know, I'm like, you know, he deserved it. My baby was on honor roll and everything. He deserved that sneakers. But yeah, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. Recommend. Yeah. The one thing about me, I'm a bargain girl. If I could save some coins, I'm gonna save it. I don't need a real one. I'm fine. I saved a lot of money. I saved $130 buying these instead of the real ones. Money, y'all. I just made the promotion on TikTok. I didn't edit yet, but I just wanted to show y'all how comfortable this thing is. It's very comfortable. It's seamless. Made with 100% adhesive. I mean 100% silicone. It's adhesive, whatever you want to say that word. Yeah. Very comfortable. It's good for sensitive skin. 100%. I said 100% silicone, right? So this is the card it came with. It's like a little cute box it came in, and it came in this little cute little baggie. So it's like a bra where you could snap it right here. So you could wear it with a sports bra. You could go wear it with a work outfit. You could wear it with strapless and backless tops or dresses. It's very comfortable. It's good for preteens too, up to adults and stuff. Cake's body, so cute. I love the box. I'm not throwing this box away. And the bag. Keep it. It's cute. This is my thing for my first promotion ever. Promoting somebody's thing. Got me a free sample. What? Thank you, God. Got me a free sample. Stop paying me. But yeah, so this came separate. Like the cups came separate, and then you snap it in the middle. Like I have like a few bras like that. So with a snap, you know, snap in the middle. I like that. And it's crazy. I had bought some of these stuff from, I think it was from Shein. I think it was from Shein a couple years ago, and I never really wore them. I had a black one, and I had a nude color one. So this is nude color that I have on. The other ones, they couldn't. I don't know why I couldn't fit my breasts, but these are seamless ones. So you know, I don't want to do too much, but you know how YouTube is. So I probably could have pulled it up. You should just put it on, and you could pull it up however perky you want your breast to be, pretty much. So yeah, it's comfortable. Cause look at my breasts. Cause when I didn't have no bra on, my breast was a little bit hanging. Not too much though. Not too much. I thought it was gonna be two of them, but she only sent me one. I thought it was gonna be the breast nipple covers too, but cause I only saw one, so I don't know why I only got one. But yeah, cause I saw two on the thing. when they invite me to collab with them. I saw two, but she only sent me one, so I don't know. Well, I don't know if it's a person or a woman or a man, but to see me on TikTok do my thing and you pick me, I'm grateful for this. I don't care how big or small it is. I'm just grateful that somebody saw me and picked me to do a promotion. Yeah, stop playing with me. I just made some salmon salad with eggs and cucumbers. Tastes really good. Yo, I'm stressed out because I done forgot that tomorrow is Brandy and Monica concert. I'm so mad. Like, I need a day off tomorrow. I forgot. Oh my goodness. I thought it was Saturday. I don't know why. I didn't know why I was looking up Saturday, but I trust in God. He gonna come through for me. I want my job to text me back. So, my job, when I get off the train, my job replies to my message. Because usually, so I can get a day off, I gotta put in a 2-week notice. So, I swear to God, I thought it was Saturday. I don't know. Anyways, so, I got a message saying that they took me off the shift. They removed me from the shift tomorrow. So yeah, and I see that I was gonna be in Jersey on Saturday, but honestly, I can't be bothered to traveling, man. So I just made some carrot juice. I'm gonna add lemon and ginger and orange to this, and this is just cucumber and spinach. Yeah, because I don't even want the rest of the cucumber to spoil, so I'm like, let me hurry up and juice these. I forgot I had these containers, so I put the pulp because I'm gonna make carrot cake with this. And this I'm gonna make smoothies with. So that's the next day. Today's the day of the concert, and I'm actually looking for tickets right now. Right, since I got up, I've been looking for tickets, but it's now 20 minutes to 3. But the thing is, okay, so I did get the day off. I literally asked him last night. I'm like, I know it's late, but can I get coverage for tomorrow? And the first was like, oh, they can't make any promises, but one thing about my God, listen, He gonna come through for me. Anyways, so I was like, okay, that was my response. And then, like I said, I left it to God. Now the thing is, right, the tickets I see for like 111, the seats are terrible. They're like the side of the stage, and I'm like, oh no, we're not doing that again. I'm paying attention this time. Now the next concert is tomorrow, which is Friday, and the other one is Saturday at Jersey. One of them is at the Prudential Center. I've never been there before, and the one on Saturday is at Atlantic City Boardwalk Hall. So I never been to the Boardwalk Hall. I went to the Atlantic City, but I never went to that was years ago for my birthday. But we never went to the Boardwalk. Did we go to the Boardwalk? I don't think we didn't. No, we didn't. So I'm like, ooh, I always go to the Barclays Center. Like, I've been to so many concerts at the Barclays Center already. So I'm like, should I go somewhere different this time? Then I'm like, damn, do I want to spend $20 though? Or should I just pay the $290, hop on the train, hop on the bus, and just go? But I'm thinking, because I'm like, if I go tonight, right, it's the concert starts at 8. Forget about tomorrow, because I'm going to be late. I'm not even going to get to go to work go there tomorrow, because I get off. Yeah, I forgot I have to be at work at 10 a.m. tomorrow. I feel like I'm going to be too tired tonight to wake up tomorrow. I mean, I can go, but I'm going to be so tired. I know that for a fact. So I'm like, dang, should I just go Saturday to the Atlantic City Boardwalk? Because I've never been over there before. Like, I feel like I should just go on Saturday. And the prices I see closer, like, to the stage, I think it was $3 something. I'm like, man, I'm not paying that. I'm not paying $300 for no ticket. So I'm either gonna go. I think I should just go Saturday. I feel like Saturday I'm gonna be more rested and more, to go on Saturday, which is the 21st. Because I do not want to be tired tomorrow at work. Oh gosh. The last time when I went to the Barclays Center, I got home late. I got home like 2 something. Because I walked from the train station. Because the bus was not working and I was not going to pay no damn Uber, so I walked. So it's a time for me. It's like, oh man, I do not want to be tired tomorrow when I wake up to go to work. And I don't want to be late either. because I'm the only guard that work on Fridays, so I cannot be late. And but I don't feel bad for asking for a day off. Still, sure. Listen, don't be working, and not asking for a day off from these jobs. It's been a while since I asked for a day off from them. And I could just take this time to myself and just edit my videos, because I do want to post a video tomorrow and just relax for the day. Because actually the tickets are cheaper Saturday, so they are. And I don't have to worry about rushing home, getting enough sleep to get up and go to work the next morning. I don't. The only thing I was holding me back, I was like, oh man, I don't know who they're gonna bring out tonight. I know Kelly Rowland gonna be there. She's gonna be there. She literally on tour with them, so I'm not missing out on that. I'm just saying, it's I saw Mooney Long already, so I didn't really care about her. I was really care about Kelly Rowland, because I know she gonna sing some Destiny Child songs. But I'm talking about like people in Brooklyn. I don't know who was gonna be there, like, you know, because Vybz Kartel brought a lot of people. So I'm like, dang, that's the only thing I was like, shit, should I go today and then be just risky and be tired for it tomorrow? I mean, I could drink coffee and I'm fine, but my body's still gonna be tired though. That's the thing, because I know I'm gonna have a ball tonight if I go. So that's what I'm thinking about, because I don't want to miss the guests. I even know you don't know who it is, and I feel like they should stop doing that. Why they don't just, because I'm pretty sure they know who's going. By the time the concert, say the day of the concert, and they know who the people going. I'm pretty sure they know who's going to be there. So why not just post a story and say who's going to be there, like, and make it more for other people who want to come. Hello, like, common sense to make more money. Like, why would y'all not tell who the guest stars, the guest special guest going to be, other than the people that's already on tour with y'all? Whatever. But I keep checking their story and they're not posting nothing. So I don't know. I feel like I'm taking a risk by not going tonight, because I feel like I said, it's Brooklyn and I know people gonna be there. Today's Thursday, November 20th. And they only choose one day for Brooklyn and 2 days for Jersey, like. So I didn't go to the concert. I'm gonna go Saturday, but I came back to show y'all my salad that I just made. Salmon with eggs and shrimp and lettuce. Yeah, I'm editing the video because I want to post it tomorrow. That's what I'm doing right here, right now, I should say. But yeah, see y'all tomorrow. That's sea breeze. Oh wow, this smells so good. This bar. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. I need another bottle. I need another bottle for coffee. I'm gonna wait until I go to Walmart, but I'm going to Walmart soon. I need a bottle right now. But this soap though, wow, this smells so good. The different zest one. You can see the soap inside. See it? It's like green. We got charcoal, strawberry cream, limited edition. This one, they all smell good. This was the shea butter, buttermilk. Smells really good. And the Yardley chamomile flower. Oh my god. I don't need no soap right now, so I'm not gonna get one. What I got so far? Some antibacterial and wipes. Get soap. Beside ew. You don't want that. But look what I saw. I'm about to try this. I think I'm gonna try this with Thanksgiving. This is nice. I never had this before. Damn, though, sugar is crazy. Damn. I'm about to think about this one. Put this back on. Look, some fresh carrot cake, because I have carrot pulp. Oh, yeah, we're not doing that. That's too much damn sugar. Shirley Temple, 7-Up. No sugar. Hey y'all, it's Friday, November 21st. We're going to the concert tomorrow. Yes, we is. I want my ticket today. I paid $140 for it. Yeah. I'm gonna leave out here early tomorrow. Like early, like 2:30. I was gonna say 4. I could leave 4 or 3:30 because I want to get to Port Authority. And yeah. So let me show you what I got from Dollar Tree. I got some hand sanitizer, hand wipes. This is plant-based, right? Yeah, plant-based fiber. I love buying these. And I also bought these for the furniture, to clean the furniture off, like the center table and the TV stand and stuff like that. Yeah. And this one is plant-based too. Yeah, this one is 30 though. The cleaning wipes, you see, peppermint sage. I bought a bottle, extra bottle, because I needed one. I was gonna wait until I go to Walmart. But when I go pick up Kimani Thursday, Walmart gonna be closed, so I'm gonna have to wait until after I bring it back. And I needed a bottle ASAP, so I bought some new pot holders. I thought the other ones was great and looking too dirty. I don't like how it look. I saw this on Temu, but these is a microwave cleaner. The little, let me open it, show y'all. It's a little look like a little toy. But how it looks. There's nothing else in the box. So they didn't even tell you. Oh, I'm about to say they didn't even tell you how to do it, but they did this. It's gonna remove the top. Remove this by twisting it. Pour vinegar, white vinegar and water. Water up to each of the respective markings. Okay. Oh, it says it on there. I didn't even see that. Okay. So, and on the back it said vinegar. See it? Yeah, vinegar. And it smells good. And they got placed in the microwave for 5 to 8 minutes. And you just clean the microwave out. You gotta look on the box. If I could see it. Yeah, that's it. I bought these for the toilet. Like put on the side of the toilet. And I bought this for inside of the toilet. Because it shows that's where it's supposed to go. Inside. Some Lysol thing. Yeah. And also some Q-tips. Because I hate when I come out the shower my ears is wet. And I don't know how I'm always stacked up on Q-tips, so I don't know how I missed this time, but yeah, I got my Q-tips back because every time I come out the shower, I clean my ears. And the different type of bread from Dollar Tree. This is different. I never saw this one before. I think it's a new one, but they always have a different brand. This is Founders Streets. Yeah, I bought these for Thanksgiving just because I know I'm gonna need it. It's like some gravy bowl or whatever bowl. I don't know. Some can use it for anything. It's 4 coming there, so I'm like, oh, this is nice. Yeah, I'm gonna put these on the toilet mat in the bathroom tomorrow. And I bought this. Awesome. This is awesome. Is good for cleaning. So I bought it for the stove because the stove, baby, the way I be cooking in here, the stove need to clean. So yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't show you the box of the thing, right? That's how it looks on the box. You see the face? And I bought some tortilla. Yeah, some tortillas. Yeah. And that's what this tropical lemonade. So you see on there is pineapple and lemon, pretty much. So yeah, this is vitamin C and zinc. 1 milk, because I have another one in there. And y'all, and tissue. That's it. That's all I got. So now I'm gonna call my child, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Because the time now, what time is it? It is. Yeah, I reset this phone. I keep forgetting to put the screensaver on it. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Because yeah, I'm going to call Kimani and find something to eat. I think I'm going to eat a salad or something. Because I've been eating salad for the past 2 days for my dinner. That's what I ate last night and that's what I ate the night before. So, that's why I bought sliced bread. Because I have a lot of tuna in there and I just want to eat my tuna. The wheat bread. So yeah.
Better believe it. Better receive it. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything.
Hey y'all, I'm getting ready to go to the concert. It's now 4:18 or 4:19 now. Yeah, just did my nails. Some new nails. Listen, I had a hard time because the friggin' glue spilled and it's cold though. I'm good. So yeah, we're getting ready to leave. Like I said, I'm bringing my 2 chargers because I need every drip off. I'm gonna leave at 5. I think I should leave off. No, I'm gonna leave 4:30 because I'm trying to go to be on time today. Cause I know Port Authority. I go to Port Authority, take the bus from there, put some lashes on because I feel like I should my nose ring. It's a different one. Yeah, I don't think I wore this top before. If I did, I probably wore it a long time ago. But we're gonna leave out soon. I ate already. I ate oatmeal and egg. So we're gonna keep me full for a while. I'm gonna make some oatmeal in case I come home later and I eat. So when I come home later, I know I'm gonna be hungry. I'm trying not to buy nothing because last time I came out of the bus, I was starving, so I stopped at Raising Cane's. But I'm trying my best not to buy nothing. I'm gonna eat my oatmeal when I come home and eat a salad and go to bed. Cause I have my friend coming over tomorrow to fix my table. So yeah, that's what we're doing tomorrow. I'm about to eat an apple. And, this apple was just so dented up. Oh yeah, I had some chlorophyll too. I'll cut this apple off. This apple has a lot of food. But yeah, I had chlorophyll this morning too before I ate. So I'm gonna finally post my thing video today. My promo video. Because I feel like I did it too long and I'm like, damn, I had to cut it down. I cut it down for 3 minutes now. I feel like I want to cut it down more because I'm like, damn, why is it so long? I was trying to give detail about the thing, but whatever. I'm gonna make sure I post it. If not today, tomorrow. I'm supposed to post it by the 28th. I don't have a tahini. I forgot about tahini yesterday at Dollar Tree. But listen, y'all. I don't got to Port Authority and well, my nail came off. And should say $50 for the ticket. Not 20, 50. We're going to Atlantic City, right? Because I don't just go walking behind me. I'll be walking behind me. But like I was saying, I'm gonna go over here because people get on my ass. I don't know why you walking behind me. I'm about to take my ass to BBQs to treat myself tea. So it's a good thing I have protection on my tickets because I don't want to travel 2 hours. I don't know when the bus is coming back. It's not like that. It's not like response. Because when I come here and say they don't know what concert I'm talking about. But the fact that they didn't know about Brandy and Monica is crazy. Anyways, they ain't talking about $50 for round trip. Who paying $50 for round trip? I'm about to see Brandy and Monica another time. I couldn't go Thursday because, like I said, I wasn't feeling to go Thursday, so I didn't go. And I don't feel bad about it. But at least I got my money back because I'm not traveling 2 hours. I'm not paying $50 to travel 2 hours, not know, and then I'm gonna come back late. Listen, I'm aggravated. I'm not even gonna lie. But like I said, at least I got my money back. Listen, I usually don't buy tickets with protection on it, but for some reason, I don't know why, because I know I am. I know I'm a moody person, and type of person, like, even when I was getting ready, honestly, I was like, damn, do I really want to go? Got dressed and everything, got out here, and it's like, oh, that was my son to stay my ass home. Whatever, man. Oh, man. I got my 140 back. I'm cool. It's cool. To pay $50 to go out there and
again,
and I don't know what time the concert. I don't know when the last bus is gonna be. I think the last bus. Oh, this is a ticket thing. The last bus says 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. And I know the concert not going to end 12 a.m. I wish they had a bus to go out there like they did Chris Brown. Like why they couldn't do that? I'm annoyed. But 2 hours to go out there is crazy. Whatever. I don't feel bad. I don't care if I'm missing out. I'll just watch the videos on like that. Like watch the videos online like everybody else. But I'm about to go to BBQs and treat myself though. It is what it is. We about to go out. I'm so moody right now. I wanna go home. I'm gonna go get some Wingstop and go home. What's the Wingstop around here? That's 8th Avenue, 42nd. Oh, I'm right here by 42nd. Okay. I'm literally right here. What store is this? I'm gonna go out this way. I need some wings though. I don't want to get no BBQs wings. Right now. They too much. That's too much. That's $25. I don't want to pay so much money. You know what? I'm gonna take the F train to my area and get the Wingstop. So we have Burger King. Got an Impossible Burger, no onions, small vanilla iced coffee. Yeah. I think I got the soup cups in Five Below. Look at this. Kimani would love this. I know he's a teenager, but he still loves going to the store. It's like $7. They got the SpongeBob one, Lilo and Stitch. That's cute. These are the only ones they have. Dr. Pepper. Oh, they got Snoopy right here. I'm gonna get Snoopy though. Alright, let me get out of here. I just want to see what they have. I got a tambourine in here. Like a little kid. I'm about to leave. Sugar rush. Hey y'all, today's Sunday, November 23rd, and I just finished to cook. It's Sunday, but I remember that I have free will. Dumpling and chicken back with callaloo. Literally just finished cooking because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. It's my first meal of the day, and it's almost, what's that, 8:33. Good time right here. I did put there's a cover powder that was in the container because I would look a bit. I'm like, just throw in there. I have free will, like I said. So, look at my plate. Cornmeal dumpling, of course. It's my first meal of the day. I make it up this morning, and I didn't eat anything, and I went back to sleep. I posted my Puma video today, finally on TikTok. Then I went back to take a nap, and I woke up like 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, and I started cooking tomato my child, and I called him earlier. I told him I was gonna take a nap, but yeah, look at it. Then candles, cook for yourself is the best thing. So chicken back, you know, because I wanted to make soup, but I'm like, you know what, I don't cook my rice today. And like I said, I don't cook rice and peas every Sunday. I don't. I can't tell. Last week I did cook it, but yeah, I'm not gonna do it every week. Especially when I'm trying to stay away from rice. I don't have no rice in the house right now. And this was the last of the flour, so I'm gonna have to buy rice in the week before Kimani come. Jasmine rice, of course. But yeah. I'm gonna put some of this sauce on there, on the chicken. A little bit of curry do something to it if you can. I can taste it. I'm about to go call my son, like I said, and the chicken in. Alright, so the Brandy concert, right? It's like I kind of found a way that I miss out, and not really, because I said at the price, I was not paying that price for the Brandy and Monica concert, because I did wait for the last minute. And no. I will do something. It is what it is. That's why Sierra was there, Tyrese, I think was it the same night Neo was there too, or Neo was in another show? But I see the video. This is cool. Plus, I don't know. Maybe that's over myself to not go. I wanted to go though. I'm not gonna lie, but cause even Friday I was thinking about it. I'm gonna go Saturday. But like I said, I keep checking the prices and it's not. And I think it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be lower because it was the next day. Something you want something so bad, you want someone so bad, you want to do something so bad, and then it's just not meant for you. It's cool. Another time. But I know it wouldn't. I know it was at the Barclays Center. I knew it was. I see the reviews and everything on TikTok. I didn't even know Sierra lived over here now because her husband is on a New York team. I didn't even know that. But that was cool. That's about it. Yeah, when I'm cooking, my nails keep falling off, so but I'm putting it back on tomorrow. That's the beauty of personal nails. You can put them back on. Here it is. It's so big. It is huge. I'm gonna put the it's right there. I'm gonna move that mask, but I'm gonna put the tablecloth on there. It's really big. Look at it. It's so big. I need to bring out the garbage, and then I don't. My head's itching the shit out of me. I wasn't trying to scratch my head, but damn. So I'm gonna wipe the table off. With this tablecloth that I bought from Shein. I thought I bought some flowers. That was vase or vase over there. But I thought I bought flowers for it. I don't know where. I don't know where I put it. Okay, I can't work. Clean up the table. This is a big table. It's like 47 inch. But I know it's gonna be like this big. I can put it over there if I want to. Because it's too damn big. I'm show you the one that I bought first and I sent it back. I think I said it before. I definitely sent it back. Because I'm like, this one is nice. I like this one better. But they had a smaller version of this one too. I don't know why I didn't choose that one. Maybe I thought it was gonna be too small. Yeah, I got the chair off Shein too, but I bought it second because I thought it came with the table. I think it was a reed, right? But why is it? Oh, I have a lint on it. I don't like that. Oh, I don't have a lint off my table now. I'm here for showing my peas. I'm gonna get the lint off here. I'm ready to do everything off. But yeah, I'm here for showing my peas in the Ninja. Yeah, we're gonna put the tablecloth on. I look at these flowers. Look all and it's round too, so you better fit. I ain't playing. You better fit. Oh yeah. Okay. If it does right, I love the tablecloth. It's nice. That's how nice it looks. Yeah. It's not short, but I think so. It's actually the right length for a tablecloth. I think it's right here. Well, this way, right here. This is a vase I have. This one I had over there on the table, but I like that one better, so I moved it. Now I have this one to go here, but I need to find some flowers. I saw I bought a lot of flowers. So if you buy so much stuff, you don't know where to put the stuff. But I know I bought some flowers. I gotta find it. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's what I'm preparing my peas right now. And I see my chicken. I'm doing. Hold on, I'm watching Eve, the show. Yeah, I got the door open because yeah. Yeah, I put the pizza pressure for 20 minutes. So hopefully, you know, crazy. I had it on the stove. I'm like, hold on, girl. The thing right there said pressure on there. I forgot. I be forgetting because I don't use it that much, so I'm forgetting. So I'm like, you know what? Let me pour this in there and just, you know, because I think it will be better. Because I gotta go get tomorrow early. Well, not too early, but I gotta leave when you're at 10. So, what I was saying. That's what I was saying. Hold on. So I was saying, I'm making a whole jerk chicken. Jerk chicken. I'm gonna make fried chicken. I might make curry chicken. I'm not sure yet. I wanted to get some oxtail. I didn't get oxtail, so I might get oxtail tomorrow when I go get Kimani. Like the supermarket under the train station when I go outside to go get the van. That's where I bought oxtail from before. So hopefully they're open. So I'm gonna buy it before I leave. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it and bring it over there and try it back. Cause by the time I come back over here, probably it's gonna be closed. I don't know. I'm not taking a risk. So I'm gonna buy it before I go on the van. Bring it out there, yeah, and bring it back. Because I'm not shopping. Walmart gonna be closed, so I'm not gonna go to Walmart. So I'm not gonna have a bunch of bags anyways. So we might go to the giant supermarket though and get a few stuff. So I'm making the whole jerk chicken, oxtail, fried chicken. I don't know if I want to make a curry. I don't know if I should make curry. I think that's too much. I always make curry though because it's my favorite. So curry chicken I'm talking about. Is it a curry chicken? I'm not making a curry. No, I'm not making no goat for sure. That's off the menu. I don't got time. That's too much. Is it gonna be the oxtail or goat? And I rather oxtail over goat. So yeah, I'm making a mac and cheese or nothing. I'm gonna have salad and I'm got time for mac and cheese. Please. I'm gonna make salad and yeah, salad, cucumbers, and yeah, that's it. Nothing big. That's my usual menu anyway. I don't change it up because what else I'm supposed to make? It's jerk chicken, fried chicken, curry chicken, oxtail. It's not the same thing. I don't want to make nothing else. I don't want to. Should I make stew chicken instead of curry chicken? Nah, man. I'm making rice and peas. I'm not making no white rice, so that's another thing too. That's what I'm trying to contemplate what to make the curry chicken because I rather white rice with curry chicken. I would eat the rice and peas too, but I prefer with white rice. I'm not trying to make a white rice either. You know what? I might make a small pot of white rice. I might. Cause the rice and peas I'm making, I'm using brown rice. I found brown rice, jasmine brown rice yesterday. I should have showed you. I went to Food Bazaar yesterday, and I found jasmine brown rice. So that's what I'm using. I cooked it yesterday, and I ate it with some chicken back that I made the day before. Yeah, but it tastes good. I found that Food Bazaar. I didn't even know they had that jasmine brown rice. I never saw that at Walmart. But yeah, I should look next time. I'll go there, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna make a small pot of the smallest pot of white rice for sure. Yeah, okay, I'll do that. So I'm gonna cook curry chicken, but it's not gonna be a lot either. So yeah, I think I'm gonna I just season chicken I season the whole chicken and I season the fried chicken. Cause that's what I said I was gonna make. I wasn't sure about the curry chicken, so that's why I didn't. Yeah. You know what's crazy? I ate one time today. I had a smoothie and I had some of the King's Hawaiian bread with what I think I had that with the smoothie. So I haven't eaten. That was just go outside. I haven't eaten since. So I haven't done. Oh, maybe I came short. I came yesterday. I buy sugar cane at the Food Bazaar, $3.99. My friend was supposed to cut it up before he left, but he had to go. So I guess I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. Hopefully it tastes good. I bought eating red cane probably when I was smaller, but I usually go for the green one because he wanted to try this one. He said it tastes good, so I don't know. So I don't know. We'll see. Because he was supposed to cut it up. But him fixing up the table took a lot of time. Because at one point the drawer part didn't want to go in because part of it was messed up, but he fixed it. So I'm glad he fixed it. Yeah, I appreciate him. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later though. Talk too much. Bye. So this is how the chicken looks, but I didn't have no jerk season, so I had to buy. And look, it's my first time seeing this one. I guess it's new because I never seen no honey. And so I'm gonna put it in there. Yeah, I stuffed it with peppers and potatoes. That's it. Yeah, this is how it looks. I know this is gonna taste good. So I'm gonna rub it down on here right now. And I'm gonna turn this on to dry out the wetness. Oh yeah, and I even bought butter beans. I bought one bag of oxtail because I need some oxtail. I had oxtail in so long. And I usually don't put butter beans on there, but this time I feel for it. We're gonna make some curry chicken. But can I say, I asked him if he wanted. Yeah, so I asked him if he wanted curry chicken or. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, okay? Hear me. Yeah, so I asked him if he wanted curry goat or curry chicken. He said curry chicken. So I'm gonna make some curry chicken. Yeah. I love how the sauce looks though. It's like brand new. Honey jerks. Yeah. I know it's gonna taste so good. But yeah, I didn't get hot. I got mild. Wait. You don't even say. I don't know this. Oh, wait. You don't even say nothing. It said made with real honey though. You don't say hot or mild. So, I don't know. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm about to put this in here and get to finish cooking. So it's how she looks after I rub her down. Ooh, I got to get oil in the corners and everywhere. And I poked it already, so that honey sauce smells so good. I know the chicken will taste really good. Because like I said, I put peppers in there. I'm trying to get the flavor all over the chicken, but I stuck to with anything I had, please. I didn't care. I ain't putting onions though, because I don't like cooking onions like that. But let me show you how she look. Turn it around. Show you how she look. Oh, look at her. All beat up. See if I can poke up some more. Trying to get all that juice in there. Like every bite should have flavor. A flavorful bite. Yeah. I'm about to turn it over. This is 30 minutes. On 350 for 30 minutes. So I'm about to do it for like 10 minutes. Let's see how it comes out. Some peas right here. The back of the chicken. It looks very juicy. A little beat up and very juicy. But I know it's gonna taste good. The menu. Curry chicken. Some peas. This is brown rice, so that's why I look like that. White rice. The cabbage. I'm gonna do a plantain after this, and then that's it. I'm done. And so here's the food: cabbage, rice and peas, plantain, curry chicken, oxtail, white rice. I forgot the jerk chicken. I'm about to take it out right now. He's so relaxed. He's watching a movie. What movie is this? Oh, Spider-Man: Homecoming. Oh, child, I had a nap today. I was tired. Today's Friday, by the way. I'm editing the vlog. Well, I just finished editing the vlog. I'm gonna post it at 8 o'clock. I went to TikTok too, because I was making some TikToks. I forgot to show the food yesterday when I was eating it. I was hungry. We was hungry, so I forgot. But I am gonna, yeah, I'm gonna post the vlog at, well, the mukbang. Post at 8 o'clock. I'm about to wash up these dishes in the sink, because baby, first I ain't washing dishes last night. I'm tired. What time is it now? Mind you, it's late. It's after 7. 7 o'clock. I gotta wash this out. Just got outside. It's 3 o'clock. We're gonna take the bus to the train. Because we're gonna take the I'm gonna get some beef patties. That's what I want. That's all I'm coming outside for. It's cold out here. I'm not gonna be out here long. I'm gonna go get I'm trying to see if I should get 4 patties or 3. But I do want some. I want to do on the spinach. I ate a salad before I came out here. I didn't even eat nothing. All I had was a salad. Kimani had waffles. Well, it's breakfast. Well, around what time we had it? I think around 12. So well, that's like a brunch. Not really breakfast. But he woke up late today. He's talking to somebody else. Who's he talking to? But yeah, it's cold, bro. It's windy out here. Dude, earlier when I got up, the sun was out. It's only 3 o'clock and it's freezing. It's freezing. But you're gonna get this patty and come back inside. I don't know. I might even sweat out there. 'Cause I thought it was, cause it said 42 degrees, but then that's like I said, the sun was out, so. I just wanted to get out of the house though, cause since we got here Thursday, we didn't. Yesterday, yeah, y'all know, like yesterday is like what's the word? The day after Thanksgiving, you just, if you don't have work, stay home. That's what I do anyways. So today I'm like, you know what? Let's go outside for a little bit. Take a little train ride, take a little bus ride. You know. I wanted to bring to Roosevelt Island, but I don't feel like going nowhere today. I gotta bring it back tomorrow. Where is this bus? Before I left out, it said 4 minutes. I've been talking for 5 minutes now. Come on. But yeah, I'm gonna see how we get there. Let's go. Oh, child, look at my other jacket. We just came off the train, but now I don't really want to go to Jamaican Flavor. I mean, I don't want to go to thing no more. I want to go to Jamaican Flavors. I think they sell the same patties. I haven't ate some in a while, so I might just go to Jamaican Flavors. 164th or 65th. I don't know which one. One of them. My papa. Yeah, my phone the whole time. But yeah, we got to go. Hold on, let's see how far it is. So we're gonna go back on the train because I'm not gonna go to Juicy Beef anymore. So we're gonna go back. Honestly, I was trying to remember what stop, because I came over here before. We're not going to Walmart, and I was trying to remember what stop I came off at. I'm like, yeah, it was Parsons, it wasn't Southfield. So, wait, the train is coming in 8 minutes. So, yeah, we're gonna wait for that one. And the patty at Juicy, not Juicy, the patties at Jamaican Flavors is cheaper. It's $3.72. At Juicy is $4.50. So I can't get more than I was gonna get at Juicy, because I see they have occupancy. I think I tasted that one before. I thought it was cabbage. I think I tasted. I don't remember. I'm not sure if it was that one. So $3.72 times 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm joking. I don't know. I'll probably stop. Listen, the amount of money I was gonna spend at Juicy, I'm gonna spend that money at Jamaica Flavors. Because he tried it already anyways, so we don't have to go that one. Yeah, we're gonna go downstairs, Papa. We're gonna go back downstairs. Look at him.
No, you don't.
He on my phone. But yeah, I'm waiting for the you go sit. They got a seat downstairs, come up. I don't think they got a seat downstairs. They don't. We're gonna sit on the chair and wait. It's cold, so freaking cold. Like, I don't understand. Come sit. The train coming in 3 minutes. So, I came on Colorado and probably get a beef Kimani, a 2 beef Kimani, and I don't say much more number. Listen, I'm willing to spend like $20 because I'm not coming back over here for a while. So if I could just have them, eat them when I'm ready. I might buy two aki, because I don't think I ever tried aki before. Did I? I think I did. I think I have cabbage in there or something. I don't remember. But I'm gonna get it. It's 4 o'clock now. 2 minutes. I thought about taking the bus, but I'm not about to go pay again. The train is right here. One stop. But we gotta walk. Listen. It's freaking cold. I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree, because I always wanted to go to the Dollar Tree over here. Somebody just going to Jamaica Avenue. Pretty much. I'm going to the Dollar Tree, because I haven't been to that Dollar Tree in so long. And I'm not going to buy a lot of stuff. I just want to go in there and see what they have. I'm honestly just going there to see if they have that oat bread. And I'm going to get it. Or sourdough. Something healthy, because I have wheat bread already. I'm going to get Kimani back my phone because he's waiting. Jamaica Avenue now. See how long I've been here? They got a Raising Cane's right here. That's crazy. I haven't been over here in so long. Yeah, we outside. Raising Cane's, but you know if you want to have Raising Cane's, but I want patties. I don't really want to spend money on Raising Cane's right now. Next time. Next time you come over here, I'll give him some Raising Cane's. At least I know it's here. I didn't know they had it over here. Because I was going to go to the city. Let him try it. Because when I had him last time, I was like, I want him to try new food spots because I'll be doing the same thing. So I was like, we can go to the city one day and try Raising Cane's. But we over here on the Ave. Oh, no, drinking place was right here. I gotta go down there. They do have one right here. I forgot. Somebody mentioned it the other day to me, and I'm like, I don't know. I'm like, no, I only know of one. But I did forget about this one because I never bought it. I don't think I ever bought from that one before. Oh, they have Cold Stone over here too. There's got new spots over here on the Ave. I don't remember the last time I've been over here, to be honest. I don't remember the last time I've been on the Ave. Okay, so we just got here, and it's $3.54 patty. Oh, that's an EBT too. Okay. If I had some, listen, I would have used it. They have some EBT. Wow. Hold on. That's funny. That's good though. That's a good thing. I'm glad some of these restaurants, well, the fast food place. Alright, so they don't have Aki? Oh, they do. Oh, the Aki is $4. Alright, I'm gonna get one Aki. Why is it so expensive? It is Aki. Expensive bottle. Bring your dreams them to life, pretty girl. Bring it tight to me. You bring it tight. Driving me crazy. My baby. You're not even looking at me. Yeah, the camera's so bad. Oh, they got Irish machine stuff over there. Fresh juice, but I don't want none of that. I'll just get my water. Okay, we got the patties. We got 3 beef. And 2 colors because they don't have no Aki. So we're going to Dollar Tree now and then we're going to walk over yard. That's also here kind of cool. Be nice. My name is Patty. We in Dollar Tree. Look, they got the sweet Hawaiian sliced bread. This Dollar Tree always have a good variety of bread than the one I used to go to on in Brooklyn. They got so many different choices. I got my oatmeal one. Here it is right here. I bought this one. The oatmeal one. 45 calories. I might end up getting 2 of these. Should I just get one and put it in the fridge? Should I get 2 and put it in the fridge? Yeah, try to look at the dates though. Oh, this one's the 5. It's a number 27. Oh, hold on. Let me look at how much. They got butter bread. They got everything bagel. Brown sugar, cinnamon, the swirl. Yeah, they sell this brand here too. Look at the price. Is this $150? It's not bad. But the fact that you gotta look at the dates though. I feel like most of them is expired. I just got some. These ones are November 29th. Is this today? I think this one was today or yesterday. I don't know about a day. Got butter bread. I see something wheat earlier. I'm going to show y'all. Oh man. 7 grain. What's 7 grain? That's like, is it multigrain? Yep, definitely multigrain. It's so soft though. I'm gonna stick to my oatmeal for now. And next time I'm gonna just come over here because I got a wheat bread already. I don't want to do too much with the bread. I got French toast. Let me see. It's just the fact that this expired so quick. See, hold on. See, November 25th, but it's still on the shelf. Hey, I don't know. They got these, the brochure. I don't know if I say it wrong. I'm pretty sure I just messed up the name. What's RD White? Brochure. What's this word? How you say it? Brioche? I'm messing it up. I know I am. They got caramel. Brioche in here. Alright, I got hold on, I got this mini bagel for my mini bagel, and I got this for Kimani with onion with poppy seeds, and I checked the dates. It said December 12 on this one. I didn't even know they had this in a bottle. I don't know if when I came here last time, I don't know if I saw it, but I'm just gonna little stuff and I'm out of here. Oh, it's a watermelon. I don't know. Just fruits with pulp. Oh, this is nice. I got the watermelon one too. They're probably sweet. Let me see. Sugar. See? 45 grams of sugar. I'd rather eat the fresh pineapple. All of that is concentrated. Oh, it's enough from concentrate. Oh, you got the pulp inside, but why is there so much sugar? Contains 100% juice. I'm like, you know, it's something regular, so what Mr. Concentrated a while ago. But I don't know, I just feel like that's too much sugar. I know they got mango right here too. I just eat the regular fruit. All that sugar, The boba tea. They got the bubble tea right here. Popping ball. The regular aloe vera. This one is a mango flavor. I think I'm gonna try it. I wanna try this one. That's the Dollar Tree, so we heading home now. What's that callaloo patty? Tastes good. I have one left. One patty, one callaloo and one let's go. One callaloo and one beef. And it's spicy. The beef patty wasn't even spicy. And I'm pretty sure that's whole spicy. It's alright. Too spicy. I too spicy or too spicy? I don't remember. But it was not spicy. I hate when it's all early and get dark. Let's not got my glasses on. I don't care. Let's just go to the train station. Try not to fall. Train coming in like 10 minutes. Hey y'all, I just got in 6:40. I'm gonna make some fried chicken because Thanksgiving I didn't have no oil, but I'm gonna use the olive oil. I'm gonna get oil from Walmart tomorrow. So guys, I got my oatmeal bread. And it's only 45 calories with bread. What? I only bought one. I really wanted to buy two, but I only bought one because I have wheat bread in the fridge. And I bought my mini bagel because I'm gonna have one for breakfast with eggs, avocado, and fruits on the side. Yeah. And about flour because I'm gonna make some fried chicken, like I said. I want some fried chicken. Probably like 4 pieces. That's it. I have 2 for tomorrow. One each tonight. One to make Kimani. And then tomorrow when I come home, because I'm gonna be hungry and I'm not in the cooking mood. Yeah. I bought this bread for Kimani. Look at it. Look how it looks. The burger bread. It's what's it called again? Onion with poppy seeds. I heard about poppy seeds before, but I never actually saw it. Oh, well, I see the bread. It's like right here. It don't smell bad or nothing. It smells like onion. And I bought apple cider vinegar. That's it. That's what I want at Dollar Tree. Oh yeah, the olive oil. So I'm gonna use to cook with the fried chicken right now. Cholesterol free sunflower and virgin oil blend together. All right. So when we was leaving, the first Jamaican flavor that we saw. Oh wow, this actually said Jamaican flavors on there. I didn't even see that. The bag. Wait, is this the first one? Just give me one bag that says it. I'm gonna write this down. So when we were leaving, the first one that I saw before went to 164. I stopped there again. I was trying to buy 2 callaloo because I love callaloo patty. I'm gonna learn to make that because it tastes so freaking good. I'm gonna learn to make callaloo patty. I don't care. She'll tell me vegetable. I didn't care for vegetable. I want callaloo. Probably mix callaloo and carrot together. I'm gonna learn to make that myself. But yeah, yeah. So, hey, that's another one. Oh, this is how the callaloo patty looks. That's how it looks. Look at it, y'all. It tastes so freaking good. Oh my god, it's giving. Is that wheat flour? It's giving wheat flour. See, I'm gonna buy wheat flour from Walmart tomorrow, and I'm gonna make it myself. I'm gonna buy yeast. But yeah, I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. I'm gonna bake it. Not even gonna put it in the oven. The air fryer. This is the This one is the beef. Wash my hands, of course. This is the beef. It's not spicy. I don't know why it's spicy. It's not spicy at all. So wait, because I have bought first when I went up there. I have bought 3 spicy. Then I have the ackee, so they didn't have ackee. So maybe buy 3 spicy and 1 callaloo. Also, yeah, Kim eat 1, I ate 1, and I should have callaloo between me and him. Yeah, so I had 1 more beef left. Okay, so when I was leaving, yeah, here's all the beef. So from now on, you know what? On the weekend. When I'm off and I'm not working and I have to go see my child, I'm gonna go over there and give me some callaloo. Or no, I'm again. I decided I'm gonna learn to make it right. I'm gonna learn to make callaloo patty myself. Put my own little mix to it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The callaloo patty is giving. Like, see, it's like with callaloo on it. I love how it says it's definitely wheat flour. It's giving wheat flour. You don't look like white. I could definitely mix. I could make this. I'm gonna cook right now, and we're gonna eat. Yeah, I bought almond milk and flour. You see, it's a callaloo on the back. They have all the flavors right here. Cocoa bread. I think I have cocoa bread with cheese. I'm gonna try that next time. I don't know why I didn't try this time. I think that I had patty on my mind. I just wanted patty. So, but next time I'm gonna try cocoa bread with cheese. I don't think I've ever tried that before. So they have beef, hot beef, chicken, jerk chicken. They had jerk chicken, but I didn't give a jerk chicken. They had curry chicken, barbecue chicken, vegetable, callaloo, ackee, pumpkin, impossible. That's literally vegan. Chickpeas. Yeah. You know what? Next time I go over there, I'm gonna get a few ones and try them. Because I remember that I got free will. I don't perm my hair, child. I've been wanting to do this. Been wanting to do it. Turn down, Papa. So, I cut my hair in March, but I've been since the summertime. I wanted to cut, relax my hair because I wanted to wear a pixie cut. But I was lazy. Honestly, it's not lazy. It's just that my hair is getting a lot of dandruff, and when I wash my hair and then I grease it, then I will grease it. Honestly, I would just grease it that one, like the day I wash it and the day after, and then I would just leave it alone. And my head was full of dandruff, and then every time I try to perm it, I keep scratching it because it's the dandruff. So I'm like, I scratched it like 2 days ago too. Right now I'm getting a little burn in the back, but I was not gonna stop me because if I kept putting it off, I was not gonna do this. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna perm my hair today. So yeah, because I'm tired of natural hair. It's too much. It's too much, and I want to stop wearing wigs too. So that's why the time is 11:14 p.m. November 29th. Yeah, because I'm like, yeah, I really wanted to do it in the summertime though, because I was trying to wear pixie cut. Like my spirit was telling me to do it and everything, and I was just, the hair was just be it down, Joe. Like be it down, Joe. I was gonna get a brown one, like a dark brown wig, but actually I'm not gonna even bother. I'm done with the wigs. I'm stop buying wigs. The last wig I bought was a 361. That's it. I'm not buying no more. I'm done. And I was gonna send it back too because it's supposed to have a drawstring. It didn't come with a drawstring. But whatever. I just wear it like that. I'm glad I did this because I'm tired of natural hair. It's annoying. It's too much damn work, and I got time for it. And I pray over this thing before I put it in my head because I'm gonna put my hair. I got free will. So when I finish, I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for like 30 minutes. Actually 20 minutes. 20 minutes is good because it's been on my scalp for a while already. Wash it out first with the, you gotta do step by step. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So this is the neutralizing shampoo with the color indicator, with avocado oil and coconut oil, and then the aloe vera deep treatment conditioner. Yeah, if anything, now my hair gonna be easy to wash because it's relaxed, and I love that. Yeah, I'm taking Kimani back tomorrow because I gotta work Monday. I think he's still out of school. Like the thing with PA, their school system is crazy over there. Like they be out of school for 2 weeks. He was out of school before Thanksgiving even started. Before Thanksgiving week, I think the week before he was out of school. He started, and I don't think he's going back. I forgot what day his father said he's going back. I don't remember, but yeah. I'm so tired of the friggin' natural hair. Camera. So this is the one I use. I usually use what's it called? Damn, what's that one called that I always use? Oh my god, I forgot the name of it. Olive oil. Yeah, olive oil. But I didn't see it in the tub because I didn't want to buy a big one. I just wanted a small tub like this. Cause see, it's still, because I knew I didn't have much hair for me to get the big one. Yeah. I bought a mini Carlo. I can manage my hairline. That's what I'm saying. I was ready in the summertime. I just didn't do it. Like, I was so ready to do it in the summertime. But it's cool. I literally fried chicken with the olive oil. I was not playing. Hey y'all, this is the next day. We're in Walmart. I'll see some $5 bills. Let me show y'all. They look nice. The quality feel good too. This. Put you okay. Money, come over here. Come over here. One time I told you to do something, tell me, you okay? You okay? Like you don't make something to do nothing. See that gray? It's cute. It feels nice. It feels very nice. I like how it feels. I should buy one. But I think I don't like single rubs. I want the set. I like the set. Honestly, I would get cheap on Temu because Temu has a set for like $7, $8, and I don't mind paying that much. So, but those look cute though. What I've noticed about me, I like candles that have like candy scent, like strong scents. I don't like light scent candles. So the pumpkin spice was okay, but it wasn't all that. It was light. I like when I walk in the apartment, I can smell it. This one is not bad, but it's kind of like the citrus champagne style. I got the crispy treats right here because I want, like I said, I like candy smell. Oh, my watermelon is back. I might get the watermelon. I want to try new ones too. So this is the best one though. I'm not even gonna. This is the best one ever. Should I get 3 or should I get 2? I think I'm gonna get 2 for now. I have 2 more in the house. But I got apple fritters. Oh, this one smells good. I might try this one. The watermelon one. I could always get the watermelon one. I just want to try new ones. Black cherry cola. Oh, this actually smells like Coca-Cola for real. It smells like it. Actually smells like a cherry cola for real. I don't know what I'm trying to get. Okay, it's gonna be. I gotta pick one. I'm definitely keeping the crispy treats, so it's gonna be between the apple fritters and the cherry cola. So yeah, I'm buying 2 because I don't need it. I was thinking about the where is it? This one. I just smelled it just now, but I don't know. I don't want a coffee smell. Mo. Too light. These are too light for me. Vanilla is strong too. Oh, the vanilla. Yeah, I need strong scent. Even these up here is better. I like these containers. I love them. I forgot which one I have home. I think I have 2 more home in these containers. I don't remember which one though. But yeah, let's just go shopping, man. Let's just go. So Michelle is having her dirty Santa something again. So I gotta buy an ugly sweater. And I'm not coming back over here until. Is the man ugly? Do you want ugly? Peanuts. What is that? I see these. This one. That's what they have so far. That one's just thing. This is Christmas, so it's not ugly though. Santa, did you get my list, Santa? Oh, they're there already. That's what I see, so let's see. No boundaries. Excessive holiday shit. This is ugly. I kinda like this one. Hold on. So I'm walking to the W train. Just to go on my side. Yeah. It's a long ass walk. So long. It's cold under here too. It's freezing. It's like 8:40. No. A long ass right from PA. The traffic was crazy. I'm like, damn. Train's not working. On that side it's closed too, but train's not working. I guess I don't know. 7 minutes. I was supposed to come out at Westport and I missed a stop because I'm scrolling on Instagram. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just take the W instead of going back, take the S and take the bus. I'm just gonna take one of these trains. I was gonna take the R, but I saw the W too. I was like, oh, even better. I'm gonna take the W straight to my stop and then take the bus home. Oh, so yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm at the end. Wait, does this work? Why can't it look like this? Oh, this shit work, bro. I'm going on the right side. I'm at the World Trade Center. I didn't even notice where I'm at. Does this work? Because why it's not looking like this shit work at all. I don't know if I'm on the right side. Yeah, there's no train, so we gotta go on the other side. She told me to take the elevator, so that's what I'm doing. It's cold. Tell me that. Yeah, cold.
This type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you, yeah.
R. Right, I'm gonna take the R. I think put a W. Put a W from you see? I'm doing the W working. Let's do the R. I'm not waiting. But I don't know when that shit coming. Alright, so this is what I got from Walmart. Look what I found. Yeah, I know I love me some blueberries. That's my favorite fruit. One of. But got this one. And we got 2 plantain chips, oil, eggs. I found almond Danish. I didn't see the bear claws. But this is good too. It's almond, so it expired on the 5th. So I don't know 2 came in there. It wasn't much. And I bought this fresh bread. It was warm when I bought it. Of course it's cold now because I've been traveling with it. I bought it to make an Alfredo chicken bread. Yeah, because I have chicken breast in the fridge and I have everything. So when I bought this just because it was 50 cents. So I just bought it. And these are the candles that I bought. The apple fritters and the pastry treats. Banana, eggs. And I bought, I bought 2 cream cheese. Because I bought the mini bills, the for the mini bagels that I always say from Dollar Tree. I got asparagus, and I didn't get much. I didn't need much, so that's all I bought. But that's it. I'm gonna relax because I'm tired. So see y'all later.